Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, can I show you my work?
Ma'am, can I show you Mr. Madrik?
Beta, wait a second. First, let me ask you something. Then, when means I'm going to ask you to show your notebooks. Then only you show your notebook. Okay? Those who want to show me the work. First, let me complete my task. Na? Okay, what I have to do it today in the beginning of the class. Okay. So this lesson
Yes,
number
ma'am.
1 of civics was over. I hope you have understood this lesson properly, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Till,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
till
Yes,
last
ma'am.
challenges to challenge to democracy. Okay, fine. Then the question answers PDF also I have given. Wait a second. The question answers PDF I have
Yes,
sent.
ma'am. I'm on
Yes,
Saturday.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have also completed.
Good.
Ma'am,
By,
those who have not completed.
no problem. Those who have not completed, this week is still there. You can complete the work. Okay. And this was
Okay, ma'am.
uploaded, but due to I think some network issue or some server issue in the after 12 o'clock only I uploaded, but due to the information of Modric and I think
Yes, ma'am. वो
Lakshita
दिख ही
also
नहीं रहा था.
Lakshita also informed
मैम
me.
मेरे को भी नहीं दिख रहा.
हाँ तो वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई थी, but then it was uploaded afterwards, है ना? तो
Yes.
I hope you have understood all these question answers. It is related to your book only, है ना? Then
Yes, ma'am.
learn
Yes.
as a holiday homework. You will learn all the question answers, okay? And few questions
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
going to give you. Few questions also I'm going to give you as holiday homework. You will do those
Okay,
questions
ma'am.
also related to history, civics, geography, lesson 1. And syllabus for periodic 1. Are you all able to know? Syllabus
Yes,
of
ma'am.
lesson.
It is uploaded on website.
Yes, ma'am. It is uploaded.
Now it is uploaded for SST, History Lesson 1, Geography Lesson 1 and Civics Lesson 1. We have completed all the lessons. Okay? Revise
ma'am.
all the lessons during the holidays. Revise all the lessons. Plus few
Yes, ma'am.
questions for written work also I'm going to give it to you. You do it neatly in the notebook itself. है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
And that
ma'am.
that afterwards I'm going to, whenever I'll upload that whole holiday homework, I will inform you prior. Clear? पहले ही मैं inform कर दूंगी जब holiday homework मैं आपको दूंगी तब. Then next
Okay, ma'am.
I hope these all is clear now. Next is
Yes, ma'am.
today, as you have your civics book only open, this lesson 2 is not coming in periodic, but then also just I will explain. 2-3 days are still remaining, and in those days just lesson 2 I will explain of civics, role of government in health. It is very easy lesson, and you'll be able to understand it nicely and easily. So we'll continue with this lesson. So before continuing with this lesson, those who want to now show me the notebooks, those who have completed the work and want to show me the notebooks, they can show me the notebooks now.
Ma'am, I want.
So today we are going to start with the lesson role of government. I hope all till now whatever we have read in 7th standard, that is history, civics and geography, lesson 111 we have completed in all the three, and I hope everybody has understood nicely, and that is all coming in our periodic 1 course. So go through all the 3 lessons nicely during the holidays and prepare all the lessons 1, 2, 3. That is lesson 1 of history, lesson 1 of geography, and lesson 1 of civics nicely. Clear? Now we are just still time is there with us. So without wasting our time, in front of you, civics books are already open. So I hope everybody is ready to start with the lesson 2 of civics. Lesson 2 of civics, that is role of the government in health. Before starting, I think Dhaval wants to speak out. Yes, Dhaval.
Ma'am, I saw you my copywork.
Okay, okay. Show it to me if you want.
Ma'am,
You are not in the panic. Plus, you can show the notebooks whenever the teacher asks if your work will be completed, and during the exams also you will be able to learn and have the work in front of you, and without asking here and there, you will not waste your time in asking here and there about the notes and question and answers, but that time you will utilize in learning and all. Okay, so very good, those who have completed, and those who have not, please try to complete the work in the notebook neatly. Okay, now for today, we'll start with the role of the government in health. The role of the government in health, that means the working of government, the working of government to to take care of our health condition, to make to uplift our health condition, and what all steps the government is taking to improve our health facilities and all this we are all going to understand in this lesson. That is why it is the name of the lesson is role of the government in health. Now, role of the government in health means the work, the steps which government is taking to uh, uh, to make us healthy, or to protect us from any diseases and all, and to keep away from any health problem. So, what all steps the government is taking to check out our health? Now, in a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Now, in a democracy, everybody knows what is a democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which people elect the representative which form the government. So, in a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Now, when people elect the government, in that case, if people elect the government, they choose their representative, and that representatives form the government, then definitely the people will expect something from the government to whom they have chosen, so that the government can look after their problems. They can the government can sort out their problems and could look to the welfare of the people. So this could be through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, or development of roads, electricity, etc. Now this how the government uh, helps us for the welfare of the people through the means different steps taken by the government in sphere of education, health, employment, housing facility, and or development of roads and electricity, etc. So all these spheres, government has taken certain steps so that the people, the common man, do not face any type of problem. So in this chapter, we shall examine the meaning and problems related to health. Now, related to health, what are the problems, and what all uh, people are facing the problems related to health condition, and how the government is taking steps to sort out those problems. We are going to read about in this lesson. Now, look at the subheading of this chapter. That is, in what ways do you think this topic is related to the government of work of the government? Now, this heading of the lesson, role of the government, and through these pictures given on the top, it is already understood that what will be studied in this lesson. That is the for the health condition, for the proper sanitation is to be kept in mind. That is, water facilities is available, proper hospital facilities, plus clean and green environment, proper taking care of the patients here, and here means availability of each and everything to the common man also, plus medical facilities are there. So taking care of the pollution, that pollution may not means is not more in the cities and all, so that it decrease the health condition of the peoples. All these pictures show related to health only, which the government is taking care for the improvement of the health in the of the people. Now, what is health? First, an important question when we are talking about in this lesson about health, that the government is taking care of the health of the common man. That means what is the health really means. Now, we can think of health in many ways. Health, what does, according to you, can anybody tell me what is health means? What is health?
Ma'am, sehat.
Yes.
Ma'am, to protect ourselves from the diseases we.
Yes. Anybody else? Okay, once again, those were the student who has said, I think Nana has said, explained or what? Who has given just now?
Ma'am, I told you.
Okay, yes. Again, you can explain.
Nina.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was telling the health means to take care of yourself by drinking the water. We can take care of yourself,
Yes,
of our health.
taking care of oneself, and that means uh, uh, free from illness. You said, na? Free from illness, free from any type of.
And if we are injured, then to protect ourselves from the illness, we have to drink the water.
Yes, drink the water. So we can
And if
think.
we are injured, so we have to take care of our body, eat fresh vegetable.
Fresh vegetables to be means we should eat fresh vegetables daily. We should drink a lot of water to keep ourselves healthy. So here, if in common we say, if the common word health we use, the health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. That means we are free from illness. No sickness is there in our body, and we are not having any type of injury in our body. That means we are a healthy person. If common terms, in common terms, we say what is health? Health is the ability to remain free from illness and injuries. Means अगर हमारे को कोई तरह की बीमारी नहीं है, कोई तरह की कोई कुछ चोट वगैरह नहीं लगी है, तो हमें लगता कि नहीं हम हेल्दी हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं हुआ है, तो that means we are well enough, we are good in our health. But isn't health isn't only about the disease, but हम सिर्फ हेल्थ को डिजीज से रिलेट नहीं कर सकते कि अगर हमारे बॉडी में किसी तरह की कोई डिजीज नहीं है, किसी तरह का कोई इलनेस नहीं है, कोई बीमारी नहीं है, तो हम हेल्दी हो गए. इस टाइप से ये जो डेफिनेशन है हेल्थ की कि रिमेन फ्री फ्रॉम इलनेस और इंजरीज या किसी तरह की डिजीज नहीं है, ये ही सिर्फ हेल्थ के लिए हम पर्टिकुलर मेंशन नहीं कर सकते. You may have associated only some of the situations in the above collage with the health. कुछ ही आपने देखी होगी ये चीज के लोगों के बिल्कुल हेल्दी हैं, they are not having any type of disease that shows that they are healthy. But you can say that what we often ignore is the fact that each of the above situation is related to health. हर एक situation health से related है, ये भी health से related है, ये भी health से related है. So not only the situation that is, if we are sick or we are having any type of disease, we are in the hospital, that means we are an unhealthy person. It does not show that we are unhealthy person. But if we are working properly and means we are taking care, we are having a good amount of good intake of water, plus we are having a nutritious food, balanced diet and all, we are having a pollution free environment. That is, here most of the pollution is there, but here pollution free environment is there, here we have seen here. So that is also a healthy condition. So apart from disease, बीमारी से अलग, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. दूसरे other factors को भी हमें include करना चाहिए जो health से related है, जो हमारी health को बहुत ज्यादा affect करते हैं. For example, if people get clean drinking water or pollution-free environment, they are likely to be healthy. अगर हमारे पास clean drinking water है, if we are having clean drinking water, साफ पानी है, plus pollution-free environment है, then if we are staying in this type of environment, then we are a healthy person. तब हम कह सकते हैं कि हम healthy person हैं. ये नहीं कि हमको कोई disease नहीं है, कोई किस तरीके इंजरी नहीं है, कोई सिकनेस नहीं है, तो हम हेल्दी नहीं है, हेल्दी हैं. बट अगर हमारे पास पीने को साफ पानी है, पोल्यूशन फ्री एनवायरनमेंट है, तभी भी हम अपने आप को हेल्दी मान सकते हैं. On the other hand, if people do not get adequate food means do not get proper amount of food, nutritional food to eat, and have to live in cramped condition. Cramped condition means unhealthy condition. Here, unhealthy condition, unhygienic situation में अगर रहना पड़ रहा है लोगों को, then they will be prone to illness. तब वो क्या होगा? They are more liable to illness. वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा उनको बीमारी लग सकती है अगर उनको प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिला, प्रॉपर खाना नहीं मिला, और प्रॉपर पानी, ढंग से साफ पानी नहीं मिला, और गंदी कच्ची बस्ती में प्रॉपर हाइजीनिक कंडीशन में नहीं रह रहे हैं, then definitely they will catch some or the other type of disease or illness. जल्दी ही वो कोई ना कोई डिजीज और इलनेस ले लेंगे, and that they will show that they are unhealthy. वो healthy नहीं रहेंगे. That is why we say that health doesn't mean that free from illness or injury, but the proper drinking, safe drinking water, pollution-free environment, adequate food, nutritional food, and pollution-free environment. These all are conditioned to be in a healthy situation. Clear?